All right. I think will grab the time. We'll start running. We have a big audience here. Thank you for your time. Greatly appreciate your taking out the time, checking us out. It's a 20-minute session. Quick introduction. Prashant Desai, Principal Product Manager at NetApp for Azure NetApp Files. I've been with NetApp for over 7 years, focusing on various ONTAP software technologies, cloud-based solutions. And prior to that, spent over a decade in networking, product management, software development, product development. I'm really honored to be here in front of you guys today. And topic really today is quick 20 minutes to talk about Azure NetApp Files, what the product is, the problem space, workloads, scenarios, and of course the demo. It's not complete without a demo of the service. That's what we want to accomplish here. But before we get going, a quick show of hands. How many of you run a file-based workload on-premise? Awesome. How many of you are considering running a file-based workload in the public cloud? Fantastic. You guys are all in the right session. And again, the whole journey, the mission for us, Microsoft and NetApp, is to enable you so that you can move your workloads to the cloud, do the things you want to do without having to worry about where do I get high performance, how do I get the scale, how do I manage my data. Those are the kind of problems we are looking to solve in this journey along with Microsoft. And while public cloud's grown at a very fast pace, predominant number of enterprise workload continue to be on-prem. And not many are aware that if you take a look at enterprise storage on-prem, 45% of that or more is hosting file-based storage. And when we talk about that, a lot of people say, well, that's legacy workload. It's not really true. If you look at IDC's projection, file storage is growing at a great rate, 24%. By 2020, above 40 exabytes. It really begs the question, why? I think some of you already know, files have some really simple properties. POSIX-based interface, simple standards, and if it is surrounded with rich data management, it simplifies and great performance deploying of enterprise workloads. DevOps, dev testing on enterprise files is really, really simple. And those are some of the reasons why in a purely open source or a Linux environment, Files has grown and continues to grow and have a very strong place for hosting workloads. Over the last few years, as we work with our customers and Microsoft, you've seen that many of you, as you continue on your journey to the public cloud, you've been struggling to find enterprise file solutions that work at scale, not 5 terabytes, not 10 terabytes, petabyte scale, give you low performance, high performance, low latency, and rich data management. When you're talking about scale, you have to be able to manage your data, protect it, have clones of it, and that was lacking in a cloud offering as a managed service. So what we've done together with Microsoft is take world's #1 storage operating system, ONTAP, 300,000 users over 25 years, make it available as a simple managed cloud service. It's a native Azure service, just like any other Azure resource, like managed disks, like blobs. It is managed by Microsoft and NetApp, supported by Microsoft, sold by Microsoft. It is a Microsoft service, and we'll go through the demo. We'll make it very, very obvious. Very simple to consume. Create a volume, ask for the performance, and you can mount it. Simple. No managing hardware, no configuring ONTAP. It's brain dead simple. So you can enable and empower your line of businesses, your app dev teams. That's the intent here. And we've done a lot of heavy work behind the doors with Microsoft to take ONTAP and have it hardwired into the Azure data center. It's hot plugged into the Azure data center, so everything from high availability, data durability, lift failovers, all of it works seamlessly and you do not have to worry about it. The journey doesn't end there. Microsoft and NetApp are joined in our vision for hybrid cloud. Right? The journey extends to on-prem, enabling customers to move data on-prem to off-prem, and creating a true hybrid environment. You'll see more of those on our roadmap as we work together. And last but not the least is security. We understand that security is utmost importance as you go to the public cloud. will build upon ONTAP features and leverage Azure. This is an Azure resource, so all of your IAM policies that you apply to any other resource can be applied to Azure NetApp Files. Data plane, you can leverage ONTAP integration with Kerberos, LDAP, volume encryption, all of it is available in the offering. What about where we are in the journey? The service is available in private preview right now, limited public preview in the US East location, and will be rolling out into US West 2 location in October. You can Google and you can find Azure NetApp Files page up on azure.com, and you can sign up for a preview there. Big question that often arises is, what's the use case, what's the workload for this service? As I mentioned earlier, ONTAP's been used by 300,000 customers, 25 years across every vertical, be it finance, be it oil and gas, be it EDA. Pick a vertical and you have ONTAP and NFS used there. So the applicability is very, very large. A simple way to assess is if you have Linux in your environment, Unix in your environment, it's a great fit. If you're running a mixed mode environment, Windows, Linux, Unix, again, it's a great fit for you. The next level of question is, what kind of scenarios I should be looking at? First and foremost, if you're looking to migrate any kind of POSIX-based, file-based workload into the public cloud, it's a no-brainer. You do not have to re-architect your applications. You don't have to refactor it. You don't have to find crazy ways to port that applications on top of object store. No, you get the same performance, low latency, security, data management. It's a no-brainer. It doesn't end there. A lot of customers talk about born-in-cloud applications. When you talk about born-in-cloud applications, scale, right? You all want applications to scale. If you have persistent shared storage, that's what NFS offers. Low latency, high performance shared storage, you can truly build scale out applications which are high performant and give you great experience. It's great for building new applications. And of course, it's a Microsoft's native service. Integration into HD Insight. If you want to use Azure Container Service, you can use Azure NetApp Files as the underlying storage layer, and on and on. Those are the three basic pillars of scenarios that you should think of when you consider Azure NetApp Files. More specific examples of workloads. If you already have files in the public cloud, move it over to Azure NetApp Files. It's a managed service. You don't have to run your own NFS servers. Simple. If you have enterprise applications, move them over. Built-in snapshot technology, flex clones. So not only you can have your primary workloads in Azure run on Azure NetApp Files, but you can take the benefit of cloning. If you have dev test teams who want to quickly, efficiently spin up tens or hundreds of environments for dev tests, clone them rapidly, instant clones, and you can get access to the same data set available for dev testing. High performant, high throughput, low latency databases, Oracle. On-prem, big chunk of Oracle databases run on NFS. Move it on to Azure NetApp Files. You can leverage again the benefits of clones, instant snapshotting, high performance snapshots, incremental, cost effective, and ONTAP's integrated with applications. So we have tools which allow you to take application-aware snapshots for Oracle, for SQL, for SAP HANA. It's more than just ONTAP. It's leveraging the entire ecosystem that NetApp has built in the cloud around storage. So taking a stop there, I think the next place we want to move is a quick overview of create, update, delete workflows that we have for Azure NetApp Files. The demo is a quick 5-minute demo. It gives you a flavor for how the integration has been achieved. It leverages the Azure Resource Provider framework. It's integrated exactly like any other Azure resource, the same way, operationally, manageability, supportability. And we'll see here the Azure portal. You'll see how Azure NetApp Files resource can be configured through the portal. We'll walk through 3 steps. First, create a storage account. A NetApp storage account is similar to an Azure storage account at the same hierarchy. We'll create a pool, and underneath we'll create a volume. And all of it is done in a matter of a minute. So I'm going to play through the recorded demo here. And first thing you see is discovery of the service. You go to Azure portal, you search for Azure NetApp Files. It's a native service, not a marketplace offering. Go create a storage account for NetApp. All you have to specify is the name, the resource group, subscription, and the region in which you want to consume it. Simple, you create the account.
I can consume that in real time. And then this is the magic right here. This is the magic.
And again, it's integrated into notification center like any other Azure service. While we wait for the resource to be created, a quick clarification. This is a native service. It can be consumed within your VNet. It cannot be consumed outside of the VNet. It grabs an IP address from your VNet for the export path. Makes it very, very secure. It's not publicly accessible. It can only be accessed through your VNet IP address space. So you'll walk through this demo and you'll see a volume being created in this VNet, and what we leverage is a subnet. You delegate a subnet in your VNet to this service, and then the volumes are created in that subnet. The next step is to create, you see, IAM policies. Everything that you can do for an Azure resource can be done for Azure NetApp Files. The next step is creating a pool. Service is available in pools of 4 terabyte capacity. You create a 4 terabyte pool of capacity, pick the service level. The service will be available in 3 tiers: standard, premium, extreme performance. You pick the service level and you create the resource. Once the pool is created, all you have to do is create volumes. You can carve out a pool into any number of volumes. And so you go to the next step where you can see the properties of the pool. So see the resource group, the location, everything that you can see for an Azure resource, and we move into creating the volume. Once a pool is created, creating a volume is a one-click operation. Give it the name, the file path, what size of the volume, minimum is 100 GB, maximum could be 100 terabytes, and two important things: which network you want to consume the volume, and which subnet it should get an IP address. Handful of parameters specified, and volume gets created automatically, grabbing an IP address from the subnet.
Look at all the things we're connecting to. I'm connecting to Cosmos DB twice, 2 collections. I'm getting master data from 4 different sources.
And you see the volume was created, and it's working through the creation. It takes a few seconds. We'll try to fast forward it. Sorry. So the volume would be then available with an export path, which you can go to a Linux VM, a Windows VM, execute the mount command, and you can consume it, read write to it. This thing I want to emphasize here is, again, it's a Microsoft native service, not just from a portal integration perspective. It's tightly integrated with Azure networking. You can get sub-millisecond low latency. You can get throughputs as high as 10 gigabits per second per volume. You create a 20 terabyte volume and you can get 10 gigabits per second throughput to a single volume. Create a 100 terabyte volume, you can even get higher. Extremely high performance, low latency native Microsoft service. Intent is to enable you to deploy mission critical business applications in Azure now and leverage all the richness that ONTAP has to offer. Preview is ongoing. Encourage all of you to visit the preview site and sign up. More details are in our breakout session. We have 2 breakout sessions on Wednesday. Repeat content, one in noon and one in the afternoon. Please sign up. Lot more details on performance, manageability, integration will be covered in the session. And please visit us at the booth if you have additional questions. Want to join us at the party? Welcome, all of you are welcome, and there are more goodies at the booth. That's all for now. I'll look forward to, I'm available here to answer your questions. We are also available at the booth, and of course we invite you to the breakout sessions. Thank you.